Unboxing Boxing Day, a cultural dive. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve deep into a holiday celebrated in countries like the UK, Canada, and Australia, Boxing Day. It's not about the sport of boxing, but there's a lot of rich history and tradition behind it. So, let's unwrap the mysteries of this day together. Boxing Day is celebrated on December 26th, the day after Christmas. While its origins are a bit murky, the day has been recognized as a public holiday in these countries for many years. Contrary to what the name might suggest, it doesn't have to do with the sport of boxing or wrapping presents. There are a few theories about the origins of its name. One popular explanation is that it was a day when the rich would box up gifts to give to the poor. Another suggests it was when servants were given the day off to celebrate Christmas with their families, receiving a Christmas box from their employers. Boxing Day has evolved over the years. Originally a day of giving and charity, it has taken on other meanings in modern times. 1. Shopping. Similar to Black Friday in the United States, Boxing Day in some countries is one of the biggest shopping days of the year. Stores offer huge discounts, and shoppers line up early to grab the best deals. 2. Sporting events. In the UK, particularly, there's a tradition of hosting football, soccer, matches on Boxing Day. It's a festive occasion, and many families and friends gather to watch their favorite teams play. 3. Spending time with family and friends. Since it's a public holiday, many people take the opportunity to relax and spend quality time with loved ones, especially if they were working on Christmas Day. Understanding Boxing Day gives us a glimpse into the values and traditions of the countries that celebrate it. It's a reminder of the importance of giving, rooted in its history of charity. It shows the value of community and togetherness, as seen in the sporting events and gatherings. Lastly, it's a reflection of modern consumer culture, with its focus on shopping and sales. Boxing Day, while perhaps confusing at first, is a holiday with deep roots in history and culture. Whether you're giving, shopping, or just spending time with loved ones, it's a day that encapsulates a blend of old and new traditions. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you appreciate the diverse ways in which English-speaking countries celebrate their holidays. Happy learning!